I'm Josh. This is Colin. And this is Perseverance, our floating off-grid home. Come explore with us as we sail to new places, we learn how to protect our environment, and see how we coexist with nature. We'll also make lots of friends along the way.
So today's project is changing out the prop zinc anode, and if you don't know what a prop zinc is, this is what we have, and this bolts to the back of the propeller, and it serves as a sacrificial anode that will protect the propeller and the prop shaft from corrosion. Basically, the corrosion corrodes this instead of our expensive propeller and prop shaft. Pretty good current today. Water's just a little chilly.
So let me tell you about our zinc situation while Colin replaces this one. We've owned this boat a few years, and we've had to replace this zinc several times per year since we bought it. We should only need to replace the zinc about once per year, but certainly not every few months. We first thought we had stray current in the marina we were in. Then we thought maybe we had stray current on a boat near us, or we anchored on a live wire or something once when we saw some new corrosion. Eventually we tested for stray currents on the boat and ultimately found nothing. We now believe our exceptionally fast zinc corrosion was due to older coolant in the engine. I can't really explain exactly how this works, but I was reading some articles about it. Since we replaced all of our coolant in the engine, we believe our zinc has been lasting a lot longer, but we'll need to report back down the road if this remains true. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Alright, so here's the spent zinc. This went on when we put the max prop on in, I don't know, just a couple months ago, really. And here is a new zinc, what it looked like before. So we either have a very hot, leaky wire or some issue, or what we think happened based on some other corrosion we saw on a bolt is that we actually had anchored on a hot wire or something. And it's important to know we have not plugged into shore power once since installing this
Nor have we been at a dock for more than a couple days.
Yeah, so
I mean,
something fishy's going on.
I mean, look at the difference here.
Yeah. I mean, that's only 2-3 months max, maybe, since we put it on and no shore power, so interesting.
Colin went right back down to continue finishing the zinc project so we could move downtown to remove our current Bimini and be ready to install the new hardtop. After an hour or two of work and a quick camera recovery, Colin finished the zinc project and of course made a cute little sea friend.
The prop zinc has changed. The current has picked up a lot more than when I started. You can tell the visibility was going down as well. But the new zinc's on, it's tight, shouldn't be going anywhere, and shouldn't need to do that again for several months, so glad that's done. All right, we are moving from this anchorage just south of the inlet and Peanut Island, and we are relocating about 4 miles south to the anchorage across from the government docks, downtown West Palm. And that is because our new Bimini top is coming tomorrow, and we are going to be pulling up to that dock to take delivery and install it. I got the dinghy up, we put that zinc on this morning, and Josh is working on editing our next video. So I'm gonna get us underway. It should be about an hour en route to those docks, so let's go. All right, we just anchored by the downtown Palm Beach, downtown docks?
The municipal docks.
The municipal docks. And we're anchored here between the two bridges, about a 4-mile day. All in all, good time, good weather.
Yeah.
And I think we're anchored where the boat show is, judging off the satellite image from the map. Tomorrow's plan is to tie up to this dock and take delivery of our hardtop. We've still got some work to do today. We've got to take down our solar, try and put it maybe on the deck somewhere so we can still get some power, And this Bimini and Dodger is coming down.
Probably gonna have to cut the Bimini down, so.
Those zippers are quite corroded.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we'll keep.
take a little break and then start working on that?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, this is our sail viewing window that we've never actually been able to see through.
Well, we're not even gonna have one on the new. We can always add one.
So it's obviously not important.
Well, they were gonna add it for like $600. We can add one for.
It's more than that.
Yeah, like we can add one for
I
like
don't really use
$20.
it, though.
Oh, we can add one for $20. Yeah. Anyway. That was way easier than I expected.
This thing is brittle and it's missing like half its fabric, I feel like. You can like see light through it. Alright. Well, I guess there's no going back now. Solar panel cables disconnected. Now we gotta get working because we're gonna have no power coming in come daylight. So there is a straight up Christmas light concert going on downtown.
I think that tree is actually a pile of sand with lights.
Lights around it, yeah. Josh is turning the deck light on so we can actually see what we're doing out here. Probably should have done that before we did the first panel, but you know, there we go. Panel number 1 is off the Bimini and is successfully on the bow of the boat. So now we need to figure out how to get the second panel down. We're going to put the microfibers between them so they can stack on top of each other. Then we're going to run the cable forward so the top panel can actually be giving us some solar power tomorrow. That is 2 panels off the Bimini and on the bow. I couldn't have asked for a better venue, live music to cheer us on and keep us motivated for this project. Final part of the Bimini, attaching.
Well, now you know the last bit. It's gonna be the hardest part because you're recording me.
Huzzah. That is
We're committed now.
Bimini removed.
I thought it had a lot more support from the fabric, but this is pretty rigid. I mean, it moves, but it wasn't gonna blow away. So, I don't know. We had the panels sitting on these, and this was holding the Bimini. We're gonna have a lot more headroom. It's gonna be big.
Not to mention, we're gonna be able to sit in these princess seats. Where'd the light go? And not have these supports in the back, so we can actually fully lounge in the princess seats. All right, time to take the poles down.
Yeah.
All right, update. I'm only bleeding in one place. We've got most of the major members off. Dodger canvas is off. We've only got a few poles left. We're leaving the feet because we don't want to have any issues with rain or water getting in. So we're leaving all the feet to the previous Bimini sealed to the boat deck. And then after the new one's installed and that's all sealed up, good to go, we'll probably attack these one by one.
Like 6 months from now.
Hopefully sooner, and take them out and then fill in those holes with epoxy and try and match the gel coat, and it'll be like they were never there. The Bimini is completely down, so is the Dodger. There is no poles remaining on deck. The boat looks really, really naked. We've got the solar wire coming all the way forward, and the top panel is plugged back in, so we'll get power from that tomorrow. The boat just looks super weird, just naked. It's crazy. Standing here at the helm, the visibility is unreal. I mean, you can just see so much better, not hunched over. I'm really excited for this hardtop being the full height the entire distance because this visibility is here to stay.
Okay, break time. Like time now.
Yeah? Yeah. That was pretty good. I mean, we've been working.
It's only a couple hours.
Not bad for never having done that kind of project before.
We almost did not do it tonight.
I'm glad we did because still tomorrow, it'll be nice to just get on the dock, bike to Home Depot, get that tubing cutter we'll need for the hardtop install, and then just to be able to sit around and chill and wait for the hardtop to arrive. I think that was the right choice. We're gonna go find some rope, secure the panels, find some Velcro straps, secure those larger tubes that we have sitting on deck, and then it's time to chill.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It really helps our channel grow. If you enjoy our content, please consider supporting us on Patreon.